Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get Windows 7 operating system games in Windows 10 and 11 running computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So in Windows 7 we used to have inbuilt games which is being removed in the Windows 10 and 11 operating system. So how you can get back those Windows 7 operating system games on your respective Windows 10 and 11 computers. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search for one application named as Win 7 Games, and the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below and you will see here download option. Just click on download games. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Click on OK. Now click on next. Now here you can select tons of games, whichever you want, or you can select all also. There are some internet games also which you can select. So I'll not select this internet games. You can select it if you want. So I'll just select the default one and click on install. Just disable these options and click on finish. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on this Windows Start menu icon and click on this all apps and just scroll down below and you will see here one folder games. Just click on it. Now you will see here tons of games here, whichever games you want to play. Say I just want to play this Hearts. So let us check if it works or not. So it works perfectly. So you can see here it works perfectly. You can just maximize it also if you want to play it. You can play it depending upon your needs. So it's perfectly working. So let us try other games also if those works or not. So let us try this Minesaver. So you can see it works perfectly. So by using this software named as Win 7 Games, you can easily get Windows 7 operating system games in Windows 10 and 11 running computers very easily. So if you never known about this software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.